We humans are explorers. We gaze at the stars and wonder. We delve into the microscopic world and are amazed. We are driven by a thirst for knowledge. This drive extends to understanding our own bodies and conquering diseases. Clinical trials are our spaceships in the quest for cures. They are carefully designed experiments. These trials help us determine if new treatments are safe and effective. Imagine a world without clinical trials. We would be stuck with old treatments. Some of these treatments may not work well. Others might have harmful side effects. Clinical trials are essential for progress. They help us develop new and better treatments for diseases. This quest for knowledge, for cures, is a journey that benefits all of humanity. Clinical trials follow a rigorous process. This ensures the safety of participants. It also ensures the reliability of the results. Let's delve into how clinical trials are regulated in South Africa. In South Africa, the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, SAHPRA, plays a crucial role. Imagine SAHPRA as the gatekeeper of medical advancements. They are responsible for ensuring that all health products, including new drugs and treatments tested in clinical trials, are safe and effective. Before a clinical trial can begin, researchers must submit a detailed proposal to SAHPRA. This proposal outlines the objectives of the trial. It details the methodology, and most importantly, the safety measures in place to protect the participants. SAHPRA meticulously reviews these proposals. They assess the scientific validity of the trial. They also evaluate the potential risks and benefits for the participants. SAHPRA's role doesn't end with the initial approval. They provide continuous oversight throughout the trial. This includes reviewing safety reports. They also monitor the progress of the trial. They ensure that the trial is conducted according to the approved protocol. This rigorous evaluation process is vital. It ensures that only ethical and scientifically sound clinical trials proceed. This safeguards the well-being of participants. It also ensures the integrity of the research data. In the realm of clinical trials, ethical considerations are paramount. That's where research ethics committees, RECs, come in. These committees serve as guardians of ethical conduct. They protect the rights and welfare of trial participants. RECs are independent bodies. They consist of medical professionals, researchers, and members of the community. They carefully review every aspect of a clinical trial that might affect the participants' well-being. They scrutinize the informed consent process. They assess the risks and benefits ratio. They evaluate the study's design to ensure it minimizes any potential harm to the participants. RECs act as independent advocates for the participants. They ensure that the potential benefits of the research outweigh any risks. They also make sure that the participants are fully informed about the trial. This includes the potential benefits, the risks, and their rights throughout the process. Section 4. Informed Consent, Empowering Participants in the Research Journey. At the heart of ethical clinical research lies the principle of informed consent. Imagine this as a conversation, a dialogue between the researcher and the potential participant. This conversation is about respect, transparency, and empowerment. Before enrolling in a clinical trial, potential participants must receive comprehensive information about the study. This includes the purpose of the research, the procedures involved, the potential risks and benefits, and their rights as participants. This information must be presented in a clear and understandable language. It must address any questions or concerns the individual might have. Informed consent is not a mere formality, it's an ongoing process. Participants have the right to withdraw from the trial at any time without any negative consequences. They are also entitled to receive updated information about the study as it progresses. This ensures that participants remain active and informed partners throughout the research journey. Section 5. Vigilant Watch, SAHPRA's ongoing oversight of clinical trials. SAHPRA's role extends far beyond the initial approval of a clinical trial. They maintain a watchful eye on the trial's progress. They ensure that it continues to adhere to the highest ethical and scientific standards. Imagine SAHPRA as a vigilant guardian, always present, always monitoring. Throughout the trial, researchers are required to submit regular safety reports to SAHPRA. These reports detail any unexpected side effects or adverse events experienced by the participants. SAHPRA carefully analyzes these reports. They can request additional information or even halt the trial if they deem it necessary to protect the participants' safety. This ongoing vigilance is crucial for ensuring the well-being of the participants. It also guarantees the integrity of the research data collected. SAHPRA also conducts inspections of trial sites. They verify that the trial is being conducted in accordance with the approved protocol. This includes checking the storage and handling of investigational products. It also involves reviewing participant records to ensure confidentiality and data accuracy. Section 6. A global impact, South African regulations and the future of treatment. South Africa's robust regulatory framework for clinical trials has far-reaching consequences. It not only protects the participants within the country, but also contributes to the advancement of medical knowledge globally. Think of it as a ripple effect, with South Africa at the center, influencing the development of new treatments that benefit humanity. The data collected from well-regulated clinical trials in South Africa is often shared with the international scientific community. This data contributes to a larger pool of knowledge. It helps researchers worldwide to better understand diseases. It also helps them develop new and more effective treatments. Furthermore, South Africa's commitment to ethical and rigorous research practices enhances the credibility of clinical trials conducted within its borders. This, in turn, attracts international collaborations and investments in medical research. Section 7. A Healthier Tomorrow, the Legacy of Rigorous Clinical Trials. Clinical trials are not just about scientific progress, they are about improving human lives. They are about finding cures for diseases. They are about alleviating suffering. The strict regulations governing clinical trials in South Africa are a testament to the country's commitment to ethical research and the well-being of its people. These regulations, enforced by SAHPRA and upheld by research ethics committees, ensure that every clinical trial conducted in South Africa adheres to the highest standards of safety, ethics, and scientific rigor. This not only protects the participants but also contributes to the development of new and better treatments that benefit people around the world. As we continue to explore the frontiers of medicine, let us remember the importance of these regulations. They are the foundation upon which we build a healthier and brighter future for all.